Okay, let's go.
All right, so front axle removal in order to pull the engine on this GTO 3000 GT. If you were, this is the driver's side for my right-hand drive. So in a VR4, it'll be on the opposite. But the castle nut is easy enough to come off. I made a little video hack on how to get those off. So they come off, right? Take a little cotter pin out, and then they push in pretty freaking easy. Like, you can see how easy, how much play there is there. You actually can keep all of this engaged. I'm actually replacing this, so I'm going to take it out anyways, but you can do it just in this current state. This is still attached to the top of the car. But then when you get here, you can't freaking get it out this way. So I'm going to show you a little trick. You're going to need your trusty hammer. And I like to use the this metal thing, and your hammer about yay big. Then you get over there. Hopefully you can see this little ledge. So I want to point to it with the tool. See this little ledge here? This is metal. You can hit that. Can't hit that. Can't pull that. Can't put a pry bar on that. But basically what you do is you're going to put it here. You're going to tap the end of it until it pops out. You're going to see a little bit of it's coming along. And then what I want to do is actually rotate it. Give it a couple more. See, it's starting to separate. And then, magically, to pull it out. Once it's freed enough. Alright, then out comes this axle. One big pull, and you add it to your stack of parts. ABS delete, more things, and I give a little rest right here next to the transfer case. It's a good spot for it. And all of these parts are going to get cleaned. Redoing those brake calipers black. Yeah. Now we'll start on the passenger side, which would be the driver's side of the VR4.